to plan your route in Strava app. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can plan your route using your Strava app on your mobile phone. Let's go. So what you'll do first is to launch your Strava app on your mobile phone like I've done here. Once you're assured that it has been launched on your phone, at the lower part of the screen, we have icons like the home icon, the maps icon, the record icon, and so on. So what you need to do is to click on the maps icon that is after the home icon. So clicking on it, you wait for the page to load where a map will be shown, and then you click on the map. After clicking on the map, just towards the lower part of the screen, after the map, you see the pencil icon. We have draw your own route just after the pencil icon. You click on this option, then you'll be taken to another page where you can enter your details. Then after clicking on this continue icon just at the lower part of the screen, then you will be directed to another page where at the lower part of the screen you have the start free trial icon. You click on it, then you click on how you want to make payments. For me here, I've not decided on how I want to make payment for the route I want to create, but for you that you've decided, you just click on it, then you click on how you want to make payment, either by your card or by your bank. It's that simple. Okay, so this is simply how to create route on your Strava app. Thank you.